Hi everyone, this is Jasper from PumpMac. In this video, I will introduce SDEC SC4H series pump drive engine. SDEC SC4H series pump drive engine is a 4-cylinder inline engine. The displacement is 4.3 liter. The overall dimensions of SDEC SC4H series pump drive engine is about 1080 mm by 738 mm by 1078 mm, and the net weight is about 460 kg. SDEC SC4H series pump drive engine comes with LongKou In-line P Type fuel pump and equipped with turbocharger. The emission standard is China Stage 2. The rated engine prime power range covers from 62 kW to 120 kW, with rated speed at 1500 RPM. All of SDEC pump drive engine can run at any speed between idle speed to rated speed. SDEC provides both radiator and heat exchanger cooling system for all pump drive engine to meet different customer requirements for different applications. The standard SDEC SC4H series pump drive engine comes with following accessories: charging alternator, starter motor, air filter, fuel pump, flywheel. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact PumpMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.pumpmac.com.